David the Jello Fox, audio recording sample. Red vs. Blue Revolution, Chapter 18, page 5. Private, Caboose. Right, what's wrong? You remember all the red people that were throwing a birthday party and they opened the can of sun? It turns out the sun is very loud because my ears are still ringing? There are more now. Dude, you can't say red people like that! Private Tucker? Yo, we're in serious shit now. Those 80s guys are back. Christ. Alright, time for round 2. What? No, you're still weak from the toxin. You can't fight with those injuries. You're staying here while we deal with this. Injuries. This little thing, it's all good. I'm helping you whether you like it or... There, you're injured. And you're an asshole. Let's go.